What's going on, guys? So a lot of people on social media ask, as a real estate investor that earned my financial freedom by age 32, what I even do for fun now? And the answer is, well, a couple things. I really enjoy doing real estate investing, and I really enjoy helping out others. And I'm about to show you one of my hobbies. So first, hold on, I gotta show you here. Hold on. That right there is the entrance to a 2,000-foot runway that I put my airplane hangar in. You wanna go check it out? So this is what I do as a hobby. You know, I've got lots of rental properties. I got commercial properties as well. And when I get the paycheck on steady every single month, I like to have a little bit of fun. And I still use the surplus money to buy more rental properties. But there it is. Pretty neat, huh? Oh, I got some other toys. You want to see some other toys as well? Just stuff from, basically all real estate investing and passive income, doing the BRRRR strategy, doing a bunch of flips, couple jet skis. That right there, I searched high and low all over the state of Texas. I was looking nationwide. It's a Kawasaki Ultra 150. It does like 76 miles an hour. It's pretty sweet. And, for your airplane buffs, hold on. I got to show you something. Hold on. Let's see. You guys are going to like this. Check this out. All glass cockpit. If you know, you know. So why did I start this community? Well, I was doing some one-on-one mentorship, and I really enjoyed it, but it took up a lot of my time, and I mean a lot. And I was like, well, because I'm active in real estate still, I just don't have it, and one person, I would sometimes be on the phone with him for an hour and sometimes longer and sometimes many times per week. And I was like, he has the same question that so many other people have as well. So if I can get a community together where we can I can answer everybody's question in front of everybody else, that'll help out everybody tremendously, because I don't have to answer the same question again and again and again, potentially, right? But I want to serve as many people as possible, because I didn't have a mentorship other than, the Bigger Pockets podcasts and stuff like that. I watched all that. It was cool, but the problem was this. When I went to implement those strategies and I had a question, the problem was I had nobody to ask. Like, I couldn't be like, oh, I just have this super simple question to ask before I potentially make a $100,000 mistake. I didn't have anybody to ask. It was literally just me, and, well, maybe if I watch, 6 more hours of podcast, maybe somewhere in there they'll answer my question. So that's why I started this community, is to serve as many people like you as possible, to show you how easy real estate investing actually is, coming from somebody that's made the mistakes. And I know from spending all the money in advertising what works, what doesn't work. And I found a way that I do it now where there's zero advertising, there's zero cold calls, there's zero texting, there's zero cold DMs. Like, it's an amazing way, and I really want to share it with everybody so you can become a better investor or to start investing at all. Welcome to the community. My name is William Doria. Good to see you guys around.